Good morning guys. So dito tayo sa rooftop. Tingnan natin ang ating dragon fruit. Ayan, ang ganda ng bulaklak guys. Oh, may pollinator sa loob. Ayan. Merong nagpo-pollinate ng flower sa loob. Alright, ang cute nila. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Ayan pa guys. Ano pa na to? And the other one is that. Alright. Ang dami nila. Good morning buddies. Good morning. They're pollinating the flowers guys of the dragon fruit. Look at that. Alright. Keep pollinating guys. Alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Wow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Wow, what is that in your legs? What's that in your legs? What did you bring? Is that honey? Is that honey? Look at you. There's something in your legs. Wow. What's in your legs? What's in your legs? Is that honey? My God. You're so cute. Ayan guys. Ang ganda-ganda ng mga flowers ng dragon fruit. And the other one is later I'm going to cut this. And this one, this is so much beautiful. This is the stigma. Ayan, stigma. And nawala na yung pollinators. They are gone. They're gone. Ayan. So good morning guys. Natuwa lang ako doon sa mga bees, the pollinators. So marami tayong mga flowers dito. This one, oh. Pick natin. Let's pick this and let this dry. The flowers of Blotternate. I'm going to dry this. Alright. Ang dami nila. Alright. Take some. Ang dami nito guys. Blotternate. So ang ginagawa ko dito, I make this dry and put in the garapon. Ang dami nila. Ang dami doon. And doon. Dito. And maraming bulaklak yung ating dragon fruit over there. Alright. Alright. Dami guys. So dry natin this one. Let this dry. Did you hear the birds chirping? Alright. Ang cute nito guys, this one. Alright. So cute. And it's cloudy morning. Or it's not really. It's sunny day. It's good morning. Good morning. Alright. Alright. Look at this. This is the stigma. This one. And flowers. Alright. And there's the birds over there. of the roof. Alright. Look at that. Look at you. Good morning, birdie. Good morning, birdie. Where are you going, birdie? Come on here. Come on in. Birdie. Alright. Flying. Look at this. Look at these flowers. Hello, sunshine. Hello, sunshine. Good morning. Look at that. That's my neighbors. That's my neighbors over there. There's bird. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. That's mountain. I am surrounded with mountains. The mountain, guys. You see the mountain? Look at that. It's a mountain. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on my next vlog. Thanks, guys. Bye.